Okay guys, so Viking sent me these bags, their little utility square style bag to do a review on, tell you guys what I think. So here goes. So they showed up nice, good condition, a little scuffed up from shipping, nothing that won't buff out. They're real good quality, like they're thick, they're not cheap, they don't feel like shit, they don't rattle around like crazy, they bolt on pretty easy. I was gonna take one bag off and show you guys, but it's just this simple little bracket on there. All you do is remove the two bolts, put the two bolts in. The bracket you kind of have to wiggle it around to get the bag on a little bit, but it's a sturdy bracket. It's not cheap, it's gonna hold up. I've been doing some wheelies on it, doing 120 miles an hour. They've been holding up just fine. They have two locks on them. So it has a lock on the inside so someone can't steal your bags, and then it has the top lock. These are good quality. Like I said, I mean, they're small, they don't take up a lot of room, they look good, paint's good. This is kind of like a metallic color. My bike's all black. I don't know if this is supposed to match some kind of factory color or not, but they're not too far off mine, so it doesn't really matter. They got a quick detach they got a little string you can pull to help you get the bag off there easier. Like I said, there's enough room for, you know, sweatshirt, little light jacket, a fifth, a six pack, something in there like that. These are, to me, these are a dedicated bag. Like, this isn't something I think you're really going to take on and off and carry around with you. It would have been nice if they had some handles on them, so when you do take them off the quick detach style, you could just pick them up and walk around with them. But if you're not running these, like if you do take these off, it's not like other quick detach bags or whatever. You're gonna have this solid bracket that's just hanging out, which is kind of ugly. But so these are more of like a dedicated bag. If you want to run these on your bike all the time, then the bag, you know, the bracket ain't really gonna matter. Who cares? Which, you know, a lot of people do run these all the time. Again, they're pretty small. There's different shapes, different sizes, different styles they have that I probably would have chose over these ones, but these are the ones they sent me. I'm not a huge fan of the utility style bag, but these actually are a cool bag. They are a good little bag. It is, you know, it is a quality bag. It doesn't feel cheap and shitty. Like I said, I've been wheeling on them. I've just had these on there a day, so I don't know about the full longevity of them, but they seem like good quality shit so far. So, yeah. If you like the utility style bag, 100%, these are a good choice. It's a good price point too. I think these are like 400, 450, and you get a solid bag. Again, they don't feel cheap at all. Feels thicker than a regular bag. They open nice liners. It's a good bag for sure. If you like this style of bag, I'd fuck with it if I was you guys. And this is on a 2020 Low Rider S.